Good evening, guys. Welcome back to the channel. And today I treated Orwin. Now, anybody who's familiar with the channel knows that Orwin is my 1984 Vauxhall Cavalier, the gold rusty rat cav. And today I treat him to a car show. Yes, guys, I took him to a car show. I booked the day off work. As you guys know, I work weekends selling modern day, bland, boring cars. So today I treat him to a car show, and what a car show it is. There's a park in Barnsley, and it's called Locke Park, and there's a show there every year, and it's organised by the Yorkshire Thoroughbred car club. Yes, I got it right. And this car club, they're brilliant. I'm going to have to try and sign up and become a member and go and... They have regular meets once a month, the third Monday, I think it is, of every month. And I'm going to start going to their meets, I think, because if their meets are anywhere near as good as the car show, then it'll be well worth joining. So yeah, I went to the car show, and what a selection of vehicles. Everything, you know, pre-war, vintage, right through, you know, 50s, 60s, 70s to modern day high performance cars, you know, British, European, American, a bit of everything for everybody. Quite sad that Orwin was the only Cavalier there. The only Cavalier. There were a few Vauxhalls, a couple of Calibras, a couple of modified Adams. There was Stephanie Hurst. I don't know if you know her, but she's a famous DJ around this area, around Yorkshire. Particularly, she's well known. She's got a Nova that's been reshelled to make a GT replica, and it is absolutely mint. It's beautiful. There were a beautiful Cresta, and you know, some of the little bits and bobs dotted about, but not a great deal of Vauxhall content, unfortunately. Need to try and get more there next year, I think. So I'm going to see if I can get some of the guys in the Mark II cabs to get to the show next year, which would be brilliant. But anyway, I'm waffling on, so enjoy this video. It's roughly half an hour of me walking around showing you the vast majority of the cars that were at the show, and you'll see the wide variety of vehicles which were there. Some absolutely awesome cars, brilliant restoration projects, some, you know, some cars that are just loved and cherished, and that's what it's all about. A real petrol head's heaven, you know, not just one particular make, model, just everything going. So I'm going to stop waffling, get on with the video, enjoy, and I shall see you in the next one. Laters, guys. Bye.
I can see why now. That's what I like for.
It looks like, I'm surprised you've just asked you why you've sprayed it with a machine.
I worked on it, we used to have donkeys and gearboxes.
Oh, right. So
Did you? What did you say? What are you doing? Yeah, look up here as well, yeah.
I love it. I love it. I like with the deep dish wheels and stuff. Just gives it a
This is nice.
What's wrong with it? I'm sure it would, but I have
Look at the small side. There's a bit. It's very nice.
What? This is support them? Half two. Do you know one of them?
Yeah.
Look over there.
What have you found?
Bring down this one.
So I don't, you know, 'cause I buy and sell.
If I sell it, I sell it. If I don't, I don't.
Oh, burns into the salt lad.
Come on, both, I guess the money's spent.
Exo rocket.
I'd want to kill somebody.
The swamp, I mean, I just a
Yeah, I'm in the element here, mate, I'm telling you.
I've had a month up here.
I went from getting. I went from being. Imagine if I got an
I do like that. Say that. Oh.
Did like 6 little. Yeah, 6 little.
Don't mind, don't worry. We still have one now? That's okay. It's okay. Male or female, it's just it's an animal, isn't it? I think the red change, I've noticed between me and
Drove on and drove off. I know it's running. And it's been stood. And like I said,
I bet it's still in kilometres and if it's an import. I like him.
that's what we used to find out when we were on the I never realised how big
Metal, put back on. It's very, very good. You are, aren't you? You are, aren't you? You are, aren't you? I prefer you to, wouldn't it? I prefer to get most of them to buy only one.
I enjoyed it and texted this morning. I haven't been using it. I didn't know it was fantastic.
She's not addicted by any means.
She wouldn't. See what I'm saying? You can soon get addictive, trust me.
Oh, yeah, she's all right.
Yeah, I've had that 3 months when I was out just over a week.
All right.
That one, this one. Ready for turning around. So I'm going to go back
Co ty tu zarobić nie będziesz chciał?
In red.
See your girl with it. Here we go.
Nice, I drove
Yes, but it's not that.
About anybody else.
You need somebody you can get in and out of easier.
They wore a short skirt.
It'd be good to walk down that back lane.
She's lost a lot of weight. She's still big, but she has lost weight. She's moving around. She can move on them sticks now.
So,
Oh, right, yeah.
is it a mate of his in a black one following?
Oh, right, no, it's just your wife.
Honestly, mate, we just witnessed.
That blue.
I am feral.
See, I think that's what colours will look like. Just plain black.
I'm on your phone maybe 24/7.
And then it just took 2 more after that.
And that is that when you was there?
Not complicated, but it's very similar to that Ford Model Green.
It does.
More walking.
innit? Because whatever sort of oil it is, it's thick and gloppy.
I did not.
Everton Bridge last Saturday. They went to Topless on Sunday. They come here. It's more usually about it, you know what I mean? Yeah. They took them out, the street guys took them out.